Hi, so I haven't posted a video for a while, so I thought I would share the latest thing I am doing in Bluebeam for my measuring workflows. Now, when I'm looking at things like brickwork, there's been a move in the industry lately to, well, over the last few years, to go away from big A1 drawings to using a lot of A3 drawings for houses. This probably is to make it easier to print the drawings. You don't have to have the big plan printers, and the guys on site all have individual drawings, and it makes them easier to handle. The problem with this is when you come to measuring a job, tendering, you've got details everywhere. So if I look at this one here, I've got the elevations, but this is on an A1 drawing and a scale of 1 to 100. Then I've got the roof plan here, A3 drawing 1 to 50. And then I've got a set of 15 drawings here, ground floor plan, first floor plan, a compliance plan which I don't need for measuring brickwork. Then I've got some elevations, M&E plans which I don't need for measuring brickwork, etc. So I've got a lot of information here that I don't need. So what I'm doing now is I set up a master template. I've got a few different versions of the like a profile here, so how many drawings I want to put onto each one. So what you'll see on this one, which is the one I'm going to use, I've actually set this up and I've got a viewport in here at 1 to 100. I've got a blue line around there, and then all of these others I've got. So how we make this work is come across to this drawing, and I'm going to go Control C and come over here, paste that in there, drag and drop into the right position. Then I'm going to come to the roof plan, Control C. I think this is going to be at the wrong scale as well, so let's see what this does. Yeah, that's at the wrong scale. So what I'm going to do with that is delete that out, and I'm just going to do a G for a snapshot, take a picture of that, and let's put that down. Let's have a roof plan up here. Slightly big for that, but that will do at the moment because we can flatten these markups afterwards. And then we come to the floor plan. So I go Control C. I have the floor plans down here. And copy that one. Paste in there. Don't need that one, don't need that one. We want this one. We're going to put that one in there. In the right position. And back to that one. Take that, Control C. Paste. And there you go. I've got all of the drawings that I need for measuring this house type, all in one drawing, and I can quickly jump between the bits I need. So yeah, just one thing you need to do when you've done this is what you're going to have to do is come down to your markups list, and where you've got these snapshots, just highlight them, and what you'll do is you come up to Document, Flatten, currently selecting markups, then Flatten, and that will give you a drawing that you can start measuring. Hope you like that. Thanks. Bye.